Installing new windows in your home can feel like an exciting project, one that promises to improve your home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and curb appeal. For many homeowners in Sugar Land, Texas, the idea of saving money on professional installation by attempting a DIY, do-it-yourself, window installation may seem like an appealing choice. However, what may initially appear as a cost-saving decision could actually end up costing you more in the long run. Here's why DIY window installation in Sugar Land could turn out to be a more expensive option than you might expect. Lack of experience and skill. One of the primary reasons DIY window installation can be costly is the lack of experience and expertise. Installing windows is not just about popping a new frame into an opening. It requires precision and knowledge to ensure the window is properly sealed, aligned, and insulated. Even a minor mistake in installation can cause a host of issues such as water leakage, air drafts, or even structural damage to your home. Many DIYers underestimate the complexity of window installation. Professional window installers in Sugar Land have the necessary training to handle the specific challenges of the local climate and building codes. They know how to install windows in a way that maximizes energy efficiency, a crucial factor in Sugar Land's hot and humid environment. Without this expertise, you could face costly repairs or replacements down the road if your installation isn't done correctly. Hidden costs of tools and equipment. While you might think that the only cost involved in DIY window installation is the price of the windows themselves, the reality is more complicated. Proper installation requires specialized tools and equipment such as caulk guns, shims, measuring tools, and a level. Depending on the number of windows being installed, these tools can add up quickly. If you don't already own these tools, you may need to purchase or rent them, further driving up the overall cost of your project. On top of that, if you don't know how to use the equipment properly, you could end up damaging the windows or the surrounding structures, which could lead to expensive repairs. Professionals already have the necessary tools and know how to use them efficiently, saving you time, effort, and money. Potential for mistakes and rework. Even if you do manage to get the installation done without obvious issues, there is always the possibility of hidden problems. For example, if the window is not properly sealed, you might not notice air leaks or water damage until months later when the damage has already been done. Air leaks can result in higher energy bills, especially in Sugar Land, where the hot summers require air conditioning to keep your home comfortable. In the worst-case scenario, an improperly installed window may require you to tear out and replace the window entirely. This could lead to additional costs that far exceed the price of professional installation. Time and labor costs. DIY projects can often take more time than anticipated. What you think will be a one-day job could easily turn into a multi-day or even week-long ordeal. This is particularly true if you're installing windows in a house with multiple stories, or if you're dealing with non-standard window sizes that require customization. During this extended timeline, your home could be exposed to the elements, and you might have to take time off work to finish the project. All of this means that your DIY window installation could cost you more in terms of time and labor than you originally planned. Energy efficiency risk. Proper installation of windows has a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. In a climate like Sugar Lands, where air conditioning is necessary for much of the year, ensuring that your windows are properly sealed and insulated is vital to maintaining energy efficiency. A DIY installation may not offer the same level of energy savings that professional installation would. Misalignment or improper sealing can cause drafts or air leaks, making your HVAC system work harder to keep your home at the desired temperature. In the long run, this means you could be paying more on your energy bills. Professional window installers can help you choose the right energy-efficient windows and ensure that they are installed correctly, offering the best long-term savings. Warranty and insurance concerns. Another overlooked aspect of DIY window installation is the potential impact on your warranty. Many window manufacturers require professional installation for their warranty to remain valid. If you choose the DIY route, you might void the warranty, leaving you without protection if the windows fail due to defects. Additionally, if something goes wrong during the installation and damage occurs to your property, your homeowner's insurance may not cover the repair costs, especially if the damage is a result of poor installation. Professional window installers are licensed and insured, meaning that you're protected in the event of an accident or mistake. Conclusion. While the idea of saving money on DIY window installation is tempting, it's important to consider the potential long-term costs. From the risk of mistakes and hidden expenses to the impact on energy efficiency and warranties, the true cost of DIY installation in Sugar Land can add up quickly. Hiring a professional ensures that your windows are installed correctly the first time, providing peace of mind and saving you money in the long run. By choosing experienced window installers, you're making an investment in the comfort, safety, and value of your home.